This is the beautiful health and safety in Iraq. They are building or rebuilding the shrine of Samara. Opposite you is the entrance to the shrines of Imam Ali al-Hadi and Imam Mahdi's mother, Narjis alayhi salam, and Sayyidah Hakim, who I believe is the sister of Imam Ali al-Hadi. I may be wrong there, yes. Anyway, admire the work being done here at about 11:30 PM. Beautiful, the guy has no helmet, nothing, pure Iraqi. Anyway, I really do want to film inside as well and get a glimpse of the shrine. This is, by the way, is the fashion in Iraq. Tight jeans. Don't know why it's in my way. Move out of the way. Thank you very much for. Anyway, just thought I'd share this at this time. Hopefully this place will be rebuilt and the dome will be as it once was. To the left here is the Sardab, where there are narrations that the Imam Mahdi went into occultation in this place here. This is the entrance. You may see it at the far back. They're wielding something at the back. The conclusion is that they are working hard, and of course they work at night because during the day it's too cold. And I will sign out here. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.